Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix cannot connect the page couldn't be loaded in App Store, an iPhone or iPad. If you're using any iPhone or any iPad and facing this type issue that your App Store is not working whenever you try to open your App Store, you might see the error which is cannot connect, the page cannot be loaded, try again. So let's see some possible fixes for this. The very first thing, just go back and you just have to make sure that you have a stable and strongest network connection. You can also try to use anything else. It might be your browser to check if your internet is working or not. If you might see that your internet is very slow or it's not working, so you can try to connect with a different stable and strongest network connection. So once you have done, just go to your settings here, go to general, go to software update, and just try to update your software. After updating software, go to the VPN device management. You just have to make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. Then go back and here go to date and time section. Enable this toggle set to date and time automatically. So once you have done, you just have to simply go back from here. Now you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so it might be that there will be an issue with your iPhone. So just go to settings, go to general, go to transfer reset iPhone. Select reset, then select reset network settings under your iPhone passcode, and then tap on reset network settings on the confirmation message pop up. It will reset all over your iPhone network settings. If there will be any issue with the iPhone network settings, it will be fixed in this app so you will not get the issue again. So once you have reset your network settings, now you have to retry. But before you retry, I recommend you have to try to make a force reset with the iPhone to fix minor glitches. Now to do this, quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. Once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. Once your phone has been restarted, you just have to unlock your phone. And here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So your issue might have been fixed, or if it's still not fixed your issue, so you can try to check for if your App Store is working well all over the server, because sometimes it might be a server error, so you're unable to use your App Store. Now to check that, just open your browser and there you have to simply search for Apple System Status. Just search for this Apple System Status and open the first website from here. Now just tap on this plus or the cross option here, and you have to make sure that App Store is available. If you might see that App Store is not available or if there's anything else, so it might be that App Store is still down in your country or in your region or on your location. So you just have to wait for almost 1 hour or 2 hours, or sometimes it might take 24 hours to recover. So once you find that your App Store is now available, so you can easily use your App Store. But if you're still facing the same issue, if your App Store is still available, so just go to your settings here, tap on your Apple ID, just tap on this media and purchases, then tap on sign out. Tap on sign out again. Once you have signed out, you just have to tap on it again and then tap on continue. It will sign out and re-sign you in your App Store. So once you have done, you will not get that issue again. Or if you're still facing the same issue, so there's the only way. Just open your Apple Sport app. You can easily install this app from your App Store, or you can also use Apple Sport Web. Select iPhone from here, select more option, select App Store, and here just select get more help and select others. After that, you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple Support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.